The Mack Auto Group Edge does it all. Great car for all seasons. Are you still driving around that old thing? Come on down today and get into this handsome 2009 Chevrolet Malibu. Why should you make sacrifices when choosing a vehicle? It can do it all.